In this video, I'll show you how to add videos to your PowerPoint presentation. First, open your PowerPoint file and go to the slide where you want to insert the video. Now, click on the Insert tab at the top menu. From here, look for the Video option. Click on it and you'll see different choices. If you want to add a video from your computer, select This Device or Video from File. Browse your files, choose the video you want, and click Insert. The video will appear on your slide and you can resize or move it as needed. If you want to add a video from YouTube or another online source, click on Online Video. Then paste the video link into the box and click Insert. Once added, you can click on the video to access playback options like play automatically, play on click, or adjust volume and trimming. That's it. Now you can easily add and play videos in your PowerPoint presentation. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.